Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I recently picked up this really nice closed shackle padlock by Legge, who used to be quite a big company. I guess that they were known alongside companies like Chubb for locks. This is their number 8450, and it says that it's made in England. And if you look at the key, it says Newman. Here we go, this way up. Newman Tonks, and Newman Tonks don't exist anymore, but they're now, I believe, Ingersoll Rand. So maybe Legge used to be a part of Newman Tonks. Newman Tonks now part of Ingersoll Rand, who I believe still exist to make the Ingersoll impregnable and those kind of locks, I think. If you know better than me, which you probably do, then do let me know in the comments. Sorry, it's a little bit of a residue from me giving a little bit of a cleanup on this lock because it was absolutely filthy when I got it. But it's nice. It is shimmable. If you had a long enough shim, I guess. It's not a ball bearing mechanism or anything, but it's still very nice. And the nicest thing about this is its extreme bitting, because you've got like highest possible cuts followed by a max adjacent cuts with like almost a zero lift pin here, and then two extremely high pins at the back as well. So I'm going to use a mix of picks. I've got a gem in 18 thousandths and an 18 thousandths hook from Multipick as well. I'm going to pop this in a vise to see if we can't pick it. Okay, so we are in the vise. The key works really smoothly actually, so that's really nice. And we're going to go in with some top of the keyway tension and this gem style pick. And already pin 1 is binding really heavily. And I just picked that one nicely. Pin 2, little click there as well. Let's go in with this deeper hook now, because we're going all the way to the back. We're just going to try and pick up on pin 4 here if we can. Doesn't feel like it's binding though, so let's go to pin 5. And I've got a little click out of that. Nothing on 4, 5, okay. So let's go back to the front, just tap 1. That felt like it moved a little bit. Go back to pin 4 then. No, pin 5. But that was pin 4 there, and pin 5. Okay, so let's get back to the front. Pin 1. Pin 2 feels fine. Nothing on 3, 4, 5 there. Did you hear that little click? That was pin 1 there again. Just checking 1 and 2, make sure they are appropriately set. Pin 4 now, feels fine. Just check 5 there. And 4, oh, not quite under 4 yet. That felt good. 1, 2, nothing on 3 at all. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. Try 1 again. 2, 3, 4. Just try and get onto pin 4 here is hard enough. Or 5. Right, just bounce that tension a bit. 1, 2 feel fine, that's the weirdest thing. I'm gonna reset 1 like that. It just feels so good compared to the other pins. So let's try going back to pin 5 at the back. Four. They feel good. Pin 1, pin 2, 4, 5. They felt better. 1, Get onto 2 with the gem, be a bit easier, I think. 2 there, much sort of more positive click. So just 1, just 2. They feel good. Go into the back again. 4 feels fine. 5, 4. Back to the front again. I wonder if these are tapered pins in here because it's taking a while to sort of test these pins. I felt the core move just then. Same with 4, 5. Just trying to make sure that everything's nice and set. Go back in with the gem and just bounce these 2 pins here. Again, I felt that plug move just a little bit as I tapped on these pins, which is I think a good sign. And again, I just felt like the pin 5 just advanced the lock more forwards as I touched it. So go back into the front, and we just touched 2, and we're open. So yeah, I'm pretty convinced that this is full of tapered pins, because it felt like I was picking and then it wasn't opening, then picking again, it wasn't opening, and just tapping those pins just a little bit, just inched up those pins to get that open. So yeah, a much higher security lock than you might expect. This nice little Legge 8450, really lovely lock made by Newman Tonks, Legge, England. I hope you like it too. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. So hit that subscribe button if you think I deserve it for more content like this. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.